LDs go for launch.
Go for launch.
And with that call, we're going to go ahead and listen to the final 30 seconds of the count. So we'll step back and join with you back with more commentary on the other side of liftoff.
I didn't know that's why it wasn't supposed to die.
They're never supposed to.
I just want to be stuck staring at it. I want to break my just stare at it.
T minus 15 seconds.
Please tell me I get it.
Ready?
T minus 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition and liftoff. Go
Space
Falcon.
6.
Go Starlink.
Go Falcon. Go little rocket go.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
You'll get a good view. It's no clouds either. I mean, just ones, the low ones.
Hey.
I think this guy is perfect for it. Good lighting. Could put on a good show for us. We haven't had a good rocket launch in a while. They've been launching them like in the day, you can't see it at all, or at night, which it just looks like a little tiny dot, honestly.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Oh, it's supersonic. We're gonna see it soon, you guys. Look for it.
It's gonna pop up.
If you can't already see it. There it is. I see it. I see it right there. You guys see it? Do you guys see it? It's right there.
Yeah, you're right. There it is.
Can you see it? There it is.
And about a minute and a half into flight now, so far all going nominally with this Falcon.
I don't know if you could see it on the video there.
That call you just heard is they are
It's right there.
conditioning the Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage of the vehicle in preparation for the start of its burn. Coming upon a few events in fairly rapid succession. We'll see first stage main engine cutoff for MECO at about T plus 2 minutes and 25 seconds. That'll be followed by stage separation a few seconds after that, and then the ignition of that Merlin vacuum engine.
Oh, there it goes. Wow. Nice.
Now more than 2 minutes into flight.
It's a good one. Look, it's red, white, and blue. Looks like.
You can see it like cut off.
Or it might be that wing.
Nah, that's not it. Yeah, it's like the perfect.
It's a perfect timing.
Engine cutoff.
Yeah, because it's not
Stage separation confirmed. Dynamic ignition.
We can really hear it too.
Actually, might just be
Yes.